I'm Emily. I've been here for about 13 years, and I've done lots of things, and now I'm doing inlay.
I'm Sean Brandel, been here for 7 years, and 6 years in the custom shop doing inlay.
My name's Bart Buskey. I neck shape, and I've been here for 6 years.
My name's Mike Repair. I've been at Martin for 12 years now. I've been in the custom shop for like 8 of those years. I started off building necks, shaping necks, and now I'm building the rims.
So Dee, how long have you been in Martin?
I've worked here for 16 years.
Doing rosettes?
No, I used to do bracing. I did bracing for a few years, and then I came back here.
You either have really hardcore Kiss fans that are like, that's not, it's messed up. And you get people that go, I don't get it, and people that look at me and go, dude, that's hilarious. So, my name is Mark Smith. Right now I'm working as the custom shop exotic wood specialist, and I've been here for 25 years.
My name is Mike Dickinson. I've been at Martin Guitar for 28 years, and I buy the wood.
I'm Jeff Allen. I am Vice President of Global Manufacturing and Operations. I've been here for about 5 years.
Yes.
Started in the custom shop as a GM in the custom shop, and have, in the last year, moved into this role.
Hi, I'm Dave Kranitz. I've been with the Martin Guitar Company 25 years this year, and I'm currently a production manager.
Yeah, I like that.
We'll be tethered.
Good, but hold on.
Hey everybody, I'm Skip Belts. I've been with Martin Guitar for 25 years. I'm Director of Product Management.
My name's Diana Burrell. I've been here 17 years in May. I shape braces.
I'm Chris Eckhart. I work here for 23 years, and I'm the custom shop final inspection setup tech.
Hello, my name is Kim Knaus. I've been with Martin Guitar for 18 years. I run the laser. I take care of all the serialization. I make many parts throughout for the company. Center strips, blocks, ID tags, electronic plates, lots of things.
Name is Joel Toth. Work here for 17 years now, and I'm shaping some diamonds.
Jody Janish. I've been here 20 years, and I do binding cleaning and a lot of other jobs in this department.
Hi, my name is Dan Shook. I've been here 52 years. I work in the customer repair department. I do the finishing work. In the past, I polished, shaped braces, done pre-finish sanding, build guitars, stuffed guitars, but mostly done all the finishing work.
Hi, I'm Tim. Been here 6.5 years. My second generation here. My grandfather worked here for 54 years, and I pearl inlay.
All right, hi, I'm Dawn Epray. Work here at the Martin Guitar Factory for 6.5 years now. Started in the pre-finish area body sanding, and I actually worked my way up to final inspection here. I get to play the guitars, install electronics. I even make pick guards. Sometimes they're custom for certain customers, and have a lot of fun here rocking out and helping the world rock out too.
Hello, my name's Greg Holland, and I'm a final inspector here at Martin. I've been here 24 years, stringing guitars.
Pleased to meet you. My name is Peter Davenport. I've been working at Martin Guitar for 6 years now. It's a fabulous place to work, great crew, Love my job very much. I'm the assistant manager in the manufacturing department in final stringing and final inspection. So we're looking at the guitars every day, setting them up for you guys, and we hope you get a good product, and we love everything we do.
Hey, I'm Jimmy. I work with the custom shop. I am the person that does all of the custom quotes for the United States. I've been here about 14 years, and it's a great group to work with, and it's a very nice family-oriented business.
Hi folks, Larry Barnwell here from the Martin Guitar Company with Danny Brown, the famous Danny Brown from the custom shop. And tell us a little bit about what you do and how long you've been here.
I am in the custom shop, and I've been here for 30 plus years. I'm starting my 31st year. I grew up across the street from the old factory, so on my way to and from school for many years. I walked by the old factory and often wondered what went on the inside, and little did I know that one day I'd be a part of it. So,
Danny, we love you. We love what you do.
And Larry's the all-star of the group. So.
Oh, thank you, sir. All right.
Welcome to the Martin Factory.
My name is Ramin Shayagan. I'm the International Instrument Design Manager here at Martin Guitar. I work closely with my colleagues Tim and Fred, and we basically are always trying to improve the products that we design. So when you go buy a Martin guitar, you can rest assured that just because we get it right the first time, doesn't mean we're not always thinking about ways to improve. Ja, hallo, ich heiße Ramin Shayagan und bin der internationale Zeichnungsmanager hier bei CF Martin & Company. Und Sie können immer sicher sein, wenn Sie eine Martin wählen, dass wir versuchen immer unsere Designs zu verbessern, und wir wollen immer das beste Produkt für euch machen. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ramin Shayagan et je suis le manager de dessin pour les instruments internationaux ici. Quand vous choisissez une guitare Martin, vous pouvez serez sûr que ce sont les meilleurs instruments que nous pouvons produire. Io non posso parlare in italiano. No.
Fred Green, Director of Product Management.
How long have you been here?
15 years. 15 years, came from Gibson. I was at Gibson for 15 years, working at Gibson Electric, making electric guitars. It was cool. Got recruited in, and haven't left. They won't let me leave. I'm like a prisoner. Tell you a Gibson story? You're a Gibson story.
Hey guys, I'm Lou Gaffredo, work for the Martin Guitar Company. Been here 25 years. Engineering department, bringing a lot of cool stuff, automation, technology, make our products improve the quality, make us more efficient.
Hola, mi nombre es Salome Audenried. Tengo 7 años trabajando aquí en Martin Guitar, en Nazareth, y 10 años en Navojoa, Sonora, México. Mi puesto es International Operations Manager, y me encargo de sobrever todas las operaciones en México.
Hi, I'm Rich George. I've been at Martin Guitar for 5 years, and I am the IT director.
Hi, I'm Tim Harrell. I'm in the IT department here at Martin Guitar. I've been here about 24 years, I think. And I would just like to say 1-0-0-1-1-1-0-0-0-1.
Oh, hello. I'm John McRoy, in-house legal counsel at Martin Guitar. I've been here for 3 years. Just reading up on some contract law today. Nice seeing you.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Zahner, Director of Product Management for Strings. I've been with Martin for 20 years.
Hi, I'm Mandy. I worked here at Martin Guitar for about 5 years, and I'm the creative manager.
My name's Keaton Yo. I'm a social media marketing manager here at Martin Guitar. I've been here for 8 years, and I've worked in custom shop and also in whip repair.
Hello, my name is Jill Buss. I work at Martin Guitar, and I've been here for 17 years. I've been a production manager in every single department this far. My new position will be managing the custom shop, which I haven't done, and I'm super excited about. And that's pretty much it.
Hi everybody, Jerry Lawley here from Nazareth, Pennsylvania. I'm the Director of String Sales here at Nazareth Martin Guitar. I've been with them for about 7 years selling strings. I love it every single day. And just remember one important thing, a Martin Guitar is just a pretty piece of wood without the strings.
Hi everybody, Kit Culpepper here from Martin Guitar. I'm the Director of Sales for the Americas, cover the US as well as Canada and Latin America, oversee the sales team. Just want to say hi, and we're big fans of Music Villa, so shop there, be friends with them, they're cool dudes. See ya.
Hi, my name's Helena, and I've been at Martin for 2.5 years, and I'm a retail associate.
Hi, I'm Brendan Hackett. I'm the Sales Events Manager here at Martin Guitar, coming up on 19 years, and I've had the great privilege of working with many great people, especially the guys from Music Villa.
Got done with a beautiful day at Martin Guitar in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. We built, what, 9 customs?
10 or 11.
10 customs. You'll have to check them out. We're going to show pictures of them soon. What a great day. Incredible people here at the factory. There is just so much history here. It is a great tour.
Yeah, it was a great day.
Got to come visit. Thanks for watching.